Hello guys, I hope you have been fine. I've been fine too. It's John again. So today we're going to look at working with pictures. This is where you see how to use a picture box, how to clear, add a picture. Let's say the operations which can be done using an image in Visual Basic, and it's gonna be cool. Yeah, trust me. So here I've created a project and I've called it picture box. I have a form working with the picture box. Then I have this is a picture box. To create a picture box, you just come here and select picture box and drag it here. So it's simple, just the way you create any other control. So I've added 4 radio buttons. This one is for babe. When I click this radio button, a picture of my baby appears here. When I click a burger, my favorite food comes in here. Then when I click FB and Facebook image comes in here, and when I click Twitter, a Twitter image comes here. So when I click here, I want the picture box to remain blank. When I click default, I want a certain image. I want to set a certain image to be the default image, so it will appear there. So if you come and coding, I've coded nothing yet, so we are going to do all the coding with you. Let me zoom out through here. Yeah, that's enough. So I want first of all to assign an default image. So to assign a default image, it's just simple. Actually, it's very simple. There are 2 ways. You can come in this to at this, you can just click this small arrow here, then you choose image, or you can select picture box, then you come at image and say I click this ellipsis button here. So it's all and the same, but I just like this shortcut here. I click this, choose image. So after I come here, so I'll just import some images on my project. So but you click import, go to where you want your image to be, maybe some and pictures, others music, just document anywhere you've placed your images. So my images, I've just placed them in a working folder, so it's desktop, workspace, images. So I want all of these images to be in my project. So just to do that, I just select all of them and say open. So all of them will come in here. So I'll just be selecting the one I want. So I want the default image to appear. So I select default and click OK. So when this image comes here, it might look, let's say out of the grid. So to get it back to track, just click this arrow and say stretch image. So when you stretch image, now it fits on your picture box without going out. The other options, like you can say auto size. This is where the picture box will change automatically to fit the size of picture, but we don't, you see that looks old, so we want to stretch the image and fit the size we want, as the size we have set for our picture box. So when I enlarge this, my image enlarges. When I reduce, my image reduces. So after that, so that's how you simply assign a default image. So to assign this image again, okay, from after you have brought your images on your project, you see all the images here. So there is this babe, this is my girlfriend here. Then I have the burger, you can see the burger, the image of a burger. Then you can see the default image, the Facebook, you can see it there, the Twitter. Then the other place to access your resource files is just open your project. Just double click my project, say open. Then inside here you see resources. So you have 4 of them. So you can see all the images are here. Some like this one, just the name default is a keyword, but it doesn't matter. I have problems, so it will just be added an underscore before the image. So that's, don't get worried about that. So now after you have your default image, we want to set this default image and code when we are coding during runtime. So to do that, I'll double click the default button. So I want, when I click that default button, the image gets back to the default image. So I'll say pd, actually my picture box, I've named it pb starting for picture box image dot image will be equals to my is a keyword just like me. My represents your project, but me represents the current class. So it's my dot resources dot, I select the image, I just double click default. So every time I click on that image, I click on this default button, this picture box's image returns back to the default image. So when I click clear, I want the picture box to be blank. So it's pb image dot image is equals to nothing. Just use this keyword nothing. So this sets the picture box to blank. So I want, when I click this button, this radio button, it adds the base image here. So I double click that and say pb image dot image is equals to my dot resources dot tab. So I can just copy this. So when I click burger, the image of the burger appears. So it will be burger, beef burger, not just a burger but beef. It's awesome. So fb, just image of fb. So Twitter, image of Twitter. So that's simply how you create it. So I want this one, we check the border of the picture box to a deep border when I select it. So I double click it. So when the check is changed, so no, I don't want that thing. So I want, when I click this, it will check whether it's checked, and if it's checked, then the border of the picture box will be set to the red, and if it's not, it will be set to default. So I'll select it, then go to events here and select the click event. So when I select that, it's if chk, it's chk ready dot checked is equals to checked is equals to true, then picture to the image dot border style is equals to no else, just this again, just copy it, paste it here, fixed, ready. So now I can run my program and we test our code. So this is the full code here. So I can simply just this pool, I don't like it. I can run my program. Let's test. So yes, my image, you see I don't have the default image. So when I click this, I'm sorry, just a little more, just a minute. I'm sorry about that, guys. The problem was with this image. You should just start with the underscore. I think this Visual Studio never send the underscore bar. I'm sorry about that. Yeah. So now I run my program. You can see now I have my default image. When I select the picture of my girlfriend appears here. When I select burger, the burger, my favorite phone is like awesome. When I select FB image appears. When I select Twitter image, when I select 3D border, you see the border comes 3D. When I check, see that, see, when I select clear, the whole image just disappears. When I select default, the default image comes back. So I can change the image the way I want. It's just awesome. See, simple, very simple, right? Yeah, just that's how you work with the picture box. It's awesome, cool. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has helped you. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next video.